Have you ever been eyeing something on Amazon but wanted to use your debit card instead of a credit card? Well, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, we're going to clear up any confusion and show you exactly how to do it. Super simple and safe. Let's get right into it.
So, let's start with the big question, the one you're probably here for. Can you actually use your regular old debit card for your Amazon purchases? You hear so much about credit cards, it's a totally fair question to ask.
And the answer is a big, loud yes. You absolutely can. It's really simple, it's secure, and we're about to walk you through the whole thing so you can shop with total confidence.
Okay, before we jump into the checkout screen, let's just do a super quick check to make sure you have everything you need. A little prep right now makes the whole thing go incredibly smooth.
Honestly, you only need 3 things, and you probably have them all right there. First, your debit card itself. Second, your billing address. And quick note, this has to be the one your bank has on file. And third, your phone number. That's it. Simple, right?
All right, got those things handy? Perfect. Let's dive right into the checkout process. We're going to do this step by step together so you'll know exactly what to click and where to look.
You know, the whole thing really just boils down to these 4 main steps. That's all there is to it. From clicking checkout to placing the order, it's a straight shot, and it's way easier than you might think.
So, step 1, you filled up your cart with all your goodies. Now you're just going to look for that big, usually yellow or orange, Proceed to Checkout button. Go ahead and give that a click. Up next, you'll land on a page that asks how you want to pay. You might see a few different options, but what you're looking for is the choice that says Add a credit or debit card. That's our ticket.
Now, before we go any further, let's talk about the CVV. You've definitely seen it. It's that little 3-digit security code on the back of your card. It's a really clever little security feature that proves you physically have the card in your hand. Pretty neat, huh?
Okay, step 3. This is where you'll carefully type in your info. That long card number on the front, your name exactly as it shows up on the card, and of course the expiration date. It's a good idea to just quickly double check it for typos before moving on.
And here is a huge pro tip. Seriously, make sure the billing address you type into Amazon is a perfect match for the address your bank has for that card. A mismatch here is literally the #1 reason payments get declined. So getting this right will save you a potential headache later.
We are on the home stretch, the very last step. Just take a quick second to review everything on the screen, the items, where it's shipping to, all that. If it all looks good to go ahead and hit that Place Your Order button.
And you did it! Order placed. So, what happens now? What's going on behind the scenes after you click that button? Let's take a look.
So here's what you can expect. Almost instantly, an order confirmation email is going to pop up in your inbox. Then, usually within a few hours, your bank processes the payment. And after that, typically in about 1 or 2 days, you'll get that sweet email saying your item has shipped.
Okay, let's wrap this up with a few final tips. Kind of the most important things to remember from all of this so you can be a savvy and secure shopper.
It's always good to remember the fundamental difference here. When you use a debit card, you're using money that's already in your bank account. It's your money. A credit card, on the other hand, is basically a mini loan that you have to pay back. That's why credit cards sometimes have different fraud protections. So while debit is fantastic for sticking to a budget, just make sure you're always on a trusted site like Amazon.
You know, when it comes right down to it, the real key to easy online shopping is just feeling confident about how it all works. And now that you know the process inside and out, you can make those purchases without any stress.
And there you have it. You are officially ready to rock and roll with your debit card on Amazon. The only thing left to ask is, what's first on your list? Happy shopping!